This is my cell model project. This is my plant cell model, and the different parts of a plant cell are the cell wall, the cell membrane, the nucleus, cytoplasm, mitochondria, and chloroplast. This is my animal cell model, and the different parts of an animal cell are mitochondria, ribosomes, nucleus, cell membrane, and cytoplasm. The function of a cell is to keep all the organisms living and working correctly. The cell wall's function is to keep the bad things out of inside the cell and also to keep the cell rigid and standing up tall. The function of the cell membrane is to function almost the same as the cell wall, except a cell membrane is thin and flexible and allows the cell to move. The function of the nucleus is to control the activity within the cell and keeps things functioning properly inside of your cell. The function of a ribosome is to produce and release proteins all throughout the cell. The function of the cytoplasm is to carry different organelles all around the cell. The function of the mitochondria is to produce a lot of energy for the cell. And lastly, the function of the chloroplasts, which are only in plant cells, is to capture energy from the sun to use it to make food for your cell. I compare a house to a plant cell. The walls of a house are like the cell walls of a plant cell. I would compare a ribosome to a kitchen because ribosomes produce proteins, and in your kitchen you get proteins from your food that you eat. I compare the parents to the nucleus because the parents make the rules and they control what goes on inside the house. I think that the bed is like the mitochondria because when you're tired, you go to sleep in your bed, and when you sleep, it helps you get your energy back. I think the stairs are like cytoplasm because they transport you from place to place or to wherever you need to go. I think that the oven is like the chloroplast because it uses energy to produce food, and the energy is hot, like the sun's energy, which the chloroplast uses to produce food.